What if I told you that scientists have grown real human skin in a lab and it even has its own blood supply? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real, and it could completely change the future of treating skin diseases and burns. In this video, I'll explain how this breakthrough happened, why it's so important, and what it means for all of us. By the end, you will know why this is one of the biggest medical advances of our time. Here are some big questions we are going to answer today. Who made this skin? What makes it different from anything before? Why was it even needed? How did they actually grow it? And many more. So who created the world's first lab-grown human skin? It was a team of brilliant scientists from the University of Queensland in Australia. Led by Dr. Abbas Shafiei from the Fraser Institute, they've been working on this for years. But why did they spend so much time creating artificial skin in the first place? Well, that brings us to our next question. Why do we need lab-made skin when we already have treatments? The problem is skin diseases like psoriasis, scleroderma, atopic dermatitis, and even severe burns are hard to treat. Traditional models didn't allow scientists to test treatments effectively, so they needed something that mimics real human skin perfectly. But what makes this new skin so special compared to older attempts? Let's see. This isn't just a flat layer of cells. This lab-grown skin is fully functional and 3D, just like real skin. It has blood vessels, capillaries, hair follicles, nerves, and even immune cells. That means it can behave like natural skin, which is a huge step forward. But now the big question, how did they even manage to create something this complex? Let's find out. They started with stem cells. Scientists took human skin cells, reprogrammed them into stem cells, and grew them into tiny skin organoids inside petri dishes. Then, they used the same stem cells to make mini blood vessels and added them to the growing skin. Over time, it developed just like natural skin, complete with layers, pigmentation, and nerves. Pretty amazing, right? But what other details make it so lifelike? Here's where it gets even more interesting. This isn't just a skin patch. It has layers, hair follicles, nerve endings, immune cells, and its own blood supply, which means it can react and heal more like real skin. That's why it's considered the most realistic skin model in the world. Now you might wonder, when did this happen and how long did it take? Let me tell you. The research was recently published in Widely Advanced Healthcare Materials. And here's the surprising part. It took them 6 years to perfect this model. 6 years of hard work for a breakthrough that could change millions of lives. But how exactly will it help patients in the future? That's what we'll talk about next. This innovation can be a game changer for people with chronic skin disorders, genetic diseases, and severe burns. Doctors could use this skin for better grafts, personalized treatments, and even drug testing without harming patients. Imagine no more painful experiments, just real solutions faster. But now the big question, where can this technology be applied in the coming years? Here's the answer. The possibilities are huge. Hospitals, burn units, research labs, and even cosmetic testing. No more animal testing, faster treatment development, and hope for people suffering from diseases that were once thought untreatable. This is just the beginning of something big. So, what do you think? Should this lab-grown skin be tested for cosmetic purposes too, or only for medical treatments? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions, and your comments really motivate me to make more videos like this for you.